Hey everyone, welcome to Birthday Get Ready with me. For this birthday look, I'm going to use some new products and also I want to stay my makeup for whole day. So I'm going to do some simple tricks and this look is very simple and subtle. So yeah, please keep on watching. So yeah, this is my actual face without any products on. So yeah, I'm having a texture, I'm having lots of pigmentation. It's normal, right? First, for the base, I'm going to use this moisturizer. This is a recent days favorite moisturizer for me. This is from the brand Equal and it contains ceramide and hyaluronic acid. So yeah, I'm applying this all over my face and neck. After this, I'm going to use the primer which is in silicone based. Actually, if you want your makeup to stay longer, then you use silicone based primer. So here I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. After you applied, leave it for 5 minutes before your foundation. Here I'm not doing a full coverage makeup, so I'm just hiding my pigmentations with a orange color corrector. So a little bit I'm applying on my pigmented area and I just blending with my finger only. I'm not going to use any brushes, just with fingers. Cause I love this finishing rather than applying with a brush. And yeah, now come to the point. If your skin is oily, then use this trick. First of all, use a matte products and after your orange corrector, apply some loose powder on that orange corrector and all over your face very slightly to avoid oil creation quickly. Now I'm going to use this Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. This is a brand new. Actually, they have launched it 2-3 months before, but for me it's a brand new. And I have picked the shade Coffee, that is 14. They have given a pump packaging, so it's very comfortable to use. So I'm going to use for the first time on camera. Here I took one pump and just checking the shade. I thought first the shade is little light, not lighter, something doesn't match, but after I applied it totally on my shade, so I'm happy with this shade. And going to blend with this new beauty blender. This is from the brand GRWM. This is actually a very super beauty blender in a affordable range. So yeah, I will recommend this beauty blender to all of you. Today I'm not going to use any concealer, so I'm using the same foundation little more on my under eye area and around my mouth to get some coverage. Now, next trick is I'm going to spray this L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray on my beauty blender and applying on my foundation cause it keeps my foundation longer and it won't melting your foundation with sweating. So this is like a sweat proof makeup. You should have to try this. This will work for full day in summer season. Again, I'm applying little more foundation on my mouth area cause I'm having a lots of pigmentations, and if you are wearing a mask then it will remove your foundation. So when you apply little more, then it balance your full face. Now going to check this Nykaa All Day Matte Compact Powder, and also I got the shade 07 Honey. The packaging is round packaging and they have given a sponge in it and also they have given a small mirror. So I'm not going to apply this compact with that sponge they have given. I'm just going to dab with my beauty blender which I have used for the foundation. First, I didn't expect it actually works very neatly, and you can see on my face how it looks. This is very smooth in finishing. Now the base is done, so I'm moving on to my eyes. For eyes, I'm using this iconic eyeliner and I'm just doing a wing eyeliner as always. And for kajal, here I'm using a Faces Canada black kajal, and for the mascara, here I'm using the Faces Canada. This is a combo pack kajal and mascara, so I'm using this. And for lipstick, this is a new lipstick which I'm going to open this on camera and going to test it out live. And this is from the brand Maybelline Sensational. So I didn't remember the shade exactly, so I will give it on my description, so you can check it out from there. That lipstick is very nude in shade, so I'm going to apply this dark brown lip liner from the brand Swiss Beauty. After that, I'm going to apply that lipstick. If you like new shades, then you must try this lipstick. Yeah, I forgot to do my rose. Actually, I'm going to do a photo shoot. Otherwise, I won't do this. I'm done with my makeup. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair. Let's meet you after the hairstyling. I'm done. This is the entire look of my birthday. I have uploaded a lots of pictures on my Instagram. You can check it out there. And this is my Instagram handle. And yeah, important is you won't trust me guys. This makeup stayed more than 9 hours. I started to wear this makeup at 11 a.m. and we returned home at 8 o'clock. If you want your makeup to stay longer, then use this type of tricks. Hope this may be useful for you. Let's meet you on another video. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.